Hook. Remember floppy disks? Cloud storage turned that into a global infinite drive. 1980s physical storage, floppies, CDs. 2006, Amazon S3 launched, kicking off the cloud storage era. Dropbox, 2007, made sharing mainstream. Google Drive and OneDrive expanded it globally. Cloud storage is the default for work, school, and personal use. It's like a USB stick you can access from anywhere in the world. Quantum storage and decentralized networks. Cloud storage freed data from the desk. Now it's in your pocket, anywhere you go.